Hey everyone, today I want to share with you one of the many calibrated tools we use here in the EXAIR Efficiency Lab and give a little demo on how it works. This is a glass rotameter. They are available in different flow capacities and calibrations. These are all calibrated for 70°F atmospheric pressure air. When the air comes into the bottom port, it moves over the top of the float and lifts it. The higher the flow, the higher the number of the scale, which equates to the standard cubic feet per minute of flow rate. We can use them under pressure and then do calculations, which will be covered in a future video, to determine flow rates of a device at different inlet pressures. And one of the tests I have is here. As I turn the air on, you will see the float increases in the meter. As I increase the pressure, the float level increases in the scale. We can also use the rotameter to test things like vacuum flow or discharge flow of a device. Here I have one of our adjustable EVACs set up with the compressed air coming in and pulling vacuum through the rotameter in through this nozzle. So we can actually test for the volumetric flow of vacuum air as at a different pressure or under different restrictions. Now, this is not an ideal setup for vacuum flow, it's just a demo. Again, as I turn the pressure on, you will notice the float lifts in the scale. Now, because this air is actually very close to atmospheric conditions because it's just being pulled in through the rotameter, I don't have to do any correction calculations to get the reading. I can take the reading straight off the scale, and the room is at very close to 70°F, so I have my volumetric flow of air. As I mentioned earlier, this is just one of the many calibrated tools we use here in the EXAIR Efficiency Lab, and just one of the ways we measure volumetric flow of a product. If you want to learn more about the Efficiency Lab, EXAIR products, or any of the other tools that we utilize here, contact an application engineer today. Thanks for watching.